Oo nga eh. Ayaw pa ni Chuchay sa last day na daw. Picturean mo nga ni tayo. So guys, I don't know why my microphone is not working, but we're here sitting and waiting for our Ginny Lane, going to that we're gonna ride that one, the anong tawag dito? All Around Pixar. Tapos sa inyong Infinite Coaster. We rode that before. It's not that scary, pero meron siyang loop na nakakatakot. And these are for, you know, like big guys ride. We're waiting for our turn to ride. We're on Ginny Lane, but it's Christmas Day, so it's still a lot of lane, or a lot of people are here. Christmas in Disneyland.